Welcome back, children. Yes, today we'll start, that is the continuation of length. Yes, in before class you learnt, so what you learnt? Long, short, yes, and here tall, short, then next high, low. Yes, so these all you learn in before class. So in a first session you learn these all. So what do you learn here in these here? For example, long tree, short tree. Yes, like here tall tree also we can given here. Also long and tall we can given here. Animals also we can given the name. Okay, example. For example, long pencil, short pencil. Long tree, tall tree, short tree. Yes, or as a tall animal, short animal. So here we can give this one, high building, low building. Yes, so low building means huts. So these all you will learn in before classes. Yes, in today's class we will learn about the measurement. Yes, measurement. Yes, so here in this measurement what we will study now here? In this measurement we will study here how to measuring. So if it is we can be measure the classroom measurement. How we will be measuring classroom? You are using scale. Yes, you are using scale, or you are using meter scale. Yes, no, without using meter scale and scale. So we will measure like here by hand. So this much we can call as, this is 1 fathom. So what we can call this one? 1 fathom. So this is we can call as the measurement, we can call this is fathom. Yes, so this much we can call as cubit. What we can call this much of length? This from here to here we can call as cubit. Yes, and here from handspan we can call this one. Handspan means from here to here. So I'll measuring from here. See here, from here to here. So this we can call as 1 fathom. What we can 1 handspan. What we can call this one? So 1 handspan. So another one measurement we can call as a foot span. What we can call another measurement? That is foot span. Yes, so these all the what? These all the measurements you will be studying now. Okay, so foot span means that is when we will walk like 1 foot, 2 foot, like we will be that measurement we can call as foot measurement. That is we can call as a foot span. Yes, so here see students. So where we use these all? Where we use all these measurements? For example, whenever you go to the flower shop, yes, so your mom will tell you, so bring a 1 fathom of flower. Yes, so you will go and same way you will tell to the shopkeeper, that is florist. So they will measure 1 fathom, like the 1 fathom of flower, and they will give you. So or as 1 cubit of length that flower. So that is they can be given you. Yes, so that garland, 1 fathom of garland, or as 1 cubit length of garland. So they'll give you. And also where we are using the handspan. For example, I'll measure the blackboard. So using of what? So I'll using of handspan. See here. So this is 1 handspan. This is 2, and same way this is 3, 4 handspan, like 6, same as it is here, 8 handspan, next 10 handspan, 12 handspan, then 13 handspan, and also we are using a fingers, 4 finger. Yes, so how much is there our blackboard measurement? 13 handspan, 4 finger. Yes, so if we are using a fathom, like it is from 1 fathom from here to here, and this is here, so it means 1.5 fathom. Yes, so this is the measuring of blackboard, and same way we are using to measure classroom length, then main door, classroom door length, classroom window length, your bench, you are sitting on the bench, so that bench length. So all we will be using, all you will be measure using of these measurements. Understood this one? Okay, so all the measurements are, they can be given here in your textbook. We all see these measurements through a textbook. Okay. Yes, see here, we will measure the length. So how we will measure? So we are using the, here I already told you, pathom, cubit, handspan, and also another one, foot span. Yes, see here, see they can given here. We can compare the length of two things by keeping one beside the other. So how we will be measure? Yes, how we will be measure the length? They can given here the two garlands. So the red garland is long compared to the green garland. Yes, so compared to, that is red garland is long, green garland is short. We will measuring those like, yes, so we will measure like here. So these garlands, this red one garland is long and green one garland is short. So how we will be compare here? See, compared to both here, see, this is very short and this is long. Yes, to know how long the garland, we will be measure it. Yes, so here see, Lakshmi measures like this. This garland she is measuring like this. So this measurement we can call as, here see, from here to here, from length, from here to fingers. So this we can call as a 1 cubit. What we can call this is we can call as 1 cubit. Understood this is? So Lakshmi also measure the garland. How she is measuring? She is using cubit and she is measure the garland. Okay. Yes, see here. So Gauri measures like this. She is also measure the garland, but she is using, what she is using? Handspan. So I told already handspan how we will use like this. Okay, from length here to here. So this is 1 handspan. Like the Gauri is also measuring the garland, she is using handspan. Okay, so this is we can call as a handspan, 1 handspan. Okay, the length measuring the flower or as garland. So that is 1 handspan. So next one they can given here, Ramu measures a stick like this. How he is measuring a stick here? So he is measure a stick like his foot. So this is 1 foot, 2nd foot, 3rd foot, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like it is. So from here to here, from our foot. So this is we can call as a what? That is foot span. Understood? So this is 1 foot. Next we will be keep another one. So 2nd foot, 3rd foot, like it will be taken. This is a length of what? Measurement. That is using foot span. Okay. Next one we can see, you can use the hand span, foot span and cubic measurements of length, where we are using measuring the length. Okay. Yes. So Lakshmi found that the garland is, that is 1 cubit long. So she is find out and she is know about to measure. So this is, she is called as a, this is 1 cubit length of flower or as 1 cubit length of garland. Yes. Okay. Same way Gauri is measured, she is using hand span and she is measured the what? Garland, the length of garland. So she is also tells us here, see. So Gauri found that the garland is 2 hand span long. How much is there here? So this is 2 hand span length. Okay. And here see, that is what it is? His Ramu. He is also measure the stick. How he measure the stick? He is using foot length. Yes. So this foot length is we can call as a 1 foot length is equal to we can call as or as equal to 1 foot span. What we can call 1 foot span. Like Ramu is find out the sticks is how many foots are there here? 5 foot span is long of stick. Yes, here see, John measured the length of the television set using handspan. He is using handspan and measuring the television set. Here see, the length of the television is 5 handspan. How much is the length of the television? 5 handspan. And Salma measured the length of the cot using cubit. You see, this is a very small thing, no, that is we can call as this is a very small object. Yes, we can using to measure this object using handspan. If it is a length is long, that is we are using a different measurement. If it is made, we are using a cubit or as a fathom we are using to measure. Yes, so it's a measurement is very short. Okay, so they are using that John is using to measure handspan. So how much is there the length of the TV? 5 handspan. Okay, and here she is using, Salma is using measure to length, that is the cot length is how she is using. So she using the measurement cubit and she is measuring the length of cot. Okay, that is how much is there? 6 cubit length. Okay, yes. So Asha is measure the length of the classroom using a foot span. So she is also measuring the classroom length. When you will come back to the class, no, so you are also measure the length of the classroom and so write it in your notebook. Okay, and here see same way Asha is measure the classroom length using of foot span. Yes. Okay, so how much is the length of the classroom? That is 18 foot span. How much is there? 18 foot span. So next one they can given here, that is here the length of the table in this picture is dash handspan. So length of the table 1, 2, 3, 4. There are how much is there? The length of the table of this picture length is, that is handspan, using of handspan, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 handspan length is. Okay, next one, the length of the pencil is equal to dash erasers. So how many erasers they can kept here? 1, 2, 3 is equal to 1 pencil. So how many are there? We are using 3 erasers is equal to 3 erasers of length is equal to 1 pencil length. Okay, the length of pencil is equal to 3 erasers. Understood? Okay, next one, the length of the mat in this picture is dash foot. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The length of the mat is how much? 10 foot span. So understood this is? So they can given here measurements how it can be measuring and count down and write here. Okay, next one, this garland is dash cubit long. Here see, this is from here to here 1 cubit and here to here 2 cubit length. So how much is there this garland length? 2 cubit long. Understood? Yes, this is the table length of handspan is 4. The what it is? The length of pencil is equal to how many erasers? 3 erasers. Next one, that is length of foot span of the classroom. Sorry, mat of the mat is how much? 10, and the length of what garland is, that is 2 cubit long. Okay. Yes. Yes, so here they can given here, find these yourself. Yes, the length of the table in your class is how much length? We are using handspan. So I'll use the length of classroom. So this is 5 handspan of my hand. Yes, so here see students, these measurements are differ from one measurement to other measurement, because so one of the hand is small and another's hands is big, so not it comes equal measurement. Understood? Okay, and so the length of my handspan is how much is there on the table, classroom table? This is 5 handspans. Okay, so the length of the blackboard in your class is how we are measuring? Cubit. It means here how many cubit length is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the length of the classroom is how much they can be? I'll measure and I'll tell you. Okay, 6 cubit length. How much is there? 6 cubit length. And length of your classroom is, so this is your work. You will, when you will come back to school, no, so you will measure on foot and write here. Okay, the length of your school bag. So how much is the school bag? I'll write here approximately 3 hand spans. Okay, 3 hand spans. Next, so they can given here one of the activity to you. Estimate the distance from the door of your classroom to the blackboard. Verify it using hand span, foot span or as a cubit. Ask your friend to do the same. What do they observe? So it means I already told you. So these measurements are differ from others. So okay, so your hand span is measurement is not equal to your friend hand span measurement. Okay, so it's a differ. So depend on their length of their fingers. Okay, yes. So here they can given here. So this is will be measure and write. So repeat the above activity and find the distance here. From the school gate to your classroom, how much distance we are using? 2 foot span. Okay, we'll write here. Between any 2 trees in a park. In the park, between any 2 trees, how we will be measuring? Yes, you will be write it here. And from the blackboard to the first bench in your classroom. Yes, from the blackboard to first bench of in your classroom. So you will be measure and write down here. Yes, students, I hope you understood this lesson. The lesson is completed. Yes, tomorrow start the new lesson, that is weight. Yes, thank you for watching.